We are in A class 2013 and we will install the wireless charger here. This wireless charger is custom fit for this car, and I will show how we'll do this. So first you will pop up this box. I already disassembled this car, but I just showed the procedure. So you will pop up like this. Here you will pull this up, then you have to unplug. You have here one plug and here one plug. See, this is two plugs that you need to unplug. After that, when you pull this out, you will grab this. You don't need any tools here, and you lift it up, see, like this. Then you will go backward and you will go in this way. I have only two hands. I will also unplug the AC connectors and the cigarette lighter, plug. Okay. So when you plug this out, we will remove. The best way I prefer to remove this box, you remove it. You have Torx screw here, you see, T25, no, T20, sorry. You remove one screw, then you remove the second screw. After that, you pull this box like this and you lift it. Now we have the box here. When you pull this out, you will open. That's why it's for me important to pull it out, because I need to pull this box from inside, you see. Now we will clean this a little bit, and then we will put this wireless charger, because this wireless charger is custom fit, you see. It is completely the same, and we will connect it with plug and play wires that is prepared and put it in car. Now we put the wireless charger. The cable is here. Now we will mount. You check this separation. It works smoothly. Then we will install in this frame like it was in the beginning, and we will proceed in car. See, this is the connection, and here is the connection with the wireless charger, and this one goes here to the cigarette lighter. Okay, this and all, we will get back all inside and check, and this installation is done. Okay, the wireless charger is here. We change it with this, and when we put the phone here, see, it starts to charge.